Hey guys, welcome to Plot Twist. This is an interactive movie trivia app, and let's get started with the presentation. This is CSC 412 Phase 1, and my name is Surya, and I will kick off this presentation. Now, let's go through the application overview. This application is used to test the user's knowledge of of Hollywood films. This generates random questions from a database that stores the cast and crew, the budget, the release year, genre, ratings, lead actor, the director, the title of the movie, and all these different things. And the answers to these questions are received by the application and then are used to track the user's score, the accuracy, and the progress. And this application is designed for movie enthusiasts and casual players. Next, the main entities. On the most technical side of things, we have five main entities: user, movie, quiz, question, and answer. User will have data like the username, their email, their password that they set, and the quiz statistics. And then the movie, of course, will have the title, the year, genre, director, rating, and the budget. And then the quiz, of course, records the sessions with the given score and time. And then the question, these questions are auto-generated from the movie data templates, where there's questions and information is pulled from the database and then put into the question and presented to the user. And then the answers to these questions are taken by the application, and these answers are stored and points are earned accordingly. Next, user interactions and behavior. Of course, the user will start off with the quiz. They log into the application with the user credentials and then they hit start quiz. And then this creates 10 random questions based on the database and the templates that we give them. And then whenever the user answers to these questions, there's immediate feedback for every answer. And also, there's also a catch. There is time limit for every question. And then in the end, the final score and the accuracy is displayed. And then we have the AR diagram, and my teammate Rimpa will start the presentation.
So here's the ER diagram of our application. Starting with the entities, we have a user entity which stores the user details. The quiz entity represents each quiz session taken by a user. The question entity stores quiz questions, their difficulty level, etc. The answer entity basically records each response provided by the user. The movie entity stores the movie details, and the actor entity stores the actor details. Now for the relationships, a user can take multiple quizzes and there's a total participation from the quiz side since every quiz must belong to a user. Between quiz and answers, a quiz contains many answers and there's a total participation from the answer side because each answer must be linked to a quiz. A question can have many answers and every answer must belong to a question, which is why there's another total participation on the answer side. A movie generates multiple questions and every question must be based on a movie, which is why there's total participation on the question side. And then finally, through the movie cast relationship entity, each actor and movie are connected. And its primary key, which is the movie cast ID, helps to make sure that every specific cast role, like the character's name, is recorded properly to show which actor played which character in a specific movie.
For the implementation plan, our project Plot Twist will be built as a simple web application that connects the front end, the back end, and database. For the front end, we're using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript so that users can log in, take movie quizzes, and see their scores easily. The back end will be made with Node.js and Express. It will handle user login, generate random quiz questions from the movie database, calculate the score, and show the final results. For the database, we're using PostgreSQL to store all the data, like users, movies, actors, and even quizzes and the answers. We also use constraints to keep the data valid, like making sure ratings stay between 0 and 10, and emails are unique. All passwords will be hashed for safety, and we'll test the system using pgadmin and Postman to make sure everything connects properly. In short, the front end handles the user experience, the back end controls the logic, and PostgreSQL stores all the quiz information.
So before concluding, let's talk about how we plan to make Plot Twist even more engaging in the future. One exciting idea is to introduce a multiplayer mode, where friends can compete live in real time, turning our trivia app into a social challenge. We also want to add daily challenges with streaks, similar to how Duolingo motivates learners. This will keep users coming back consistently and build a sense of progress. And lastly, we'll include fun movie facts that appear right after each question. That way, even if a user answers incorrectly, they still learn something new and interesting about the film. To wrap up, thank you for watching our presentation. Plot Twist combines the fun of cinema trivia with the structure of database management. Through our ER design, we connected movies, actors, and user interactions into one seamless system that delivers personalized quizzes and detailed scoring. We hope you enjoyed learning about how our project brings together data and entertainment. So thank you.